Enjoy. So I wasn't able to do the science experiment the day you asked us, but this one I'm doing the test tube one with the vinegar, the baking soda, and my test tube. Alright, so our first step is to pour half a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, let me just fill this thing up. Now smooth it. Okay. Alright, so now we pour it into here. Okay. Next, Mom, can you hold this real fast? Thank you. Next, we get the 10 millimeters of vinegar. All right. Come on, vinegar. Come on. Oh my God.
It's sealed, Edgar. Hold this.
Oh. Oh my God.
No.
Can you do this for me, please? Alright, I got the test tube.
Hold this.
Alright, I'm gonna hold the phone now. My mom opens up this vinegar. Oh, that's what you do. Alright, now hold the phone. Alright. So now hold the test tube. Alright, so now I pour in 10 millimeters vinegar. Alright, 10 millimeters. Sorry, this. Okay. Now the test tube. Okay, ready for this? Alright, let's go. Oh my God! This is so cool! Come on, go! Oh my God, this is so cool! Alright, well, here's my science experiment. Oh, this is sick.